Hello guys, it's Crypto Boom, and today in this video we're gonna talk again about the Bitcoin, about what happening with the Dogecoin and Elon Musk, about these bearish signs that we saw on the graphs, on the charts, and of course about the Fear and Greed Index, about United States, and of course about China, about the miners in China, what is happening with them, guys. So if you're interested in the most interesting information on the cryptocurrency industry, click on the subscribe button that we can be in contact and talk each together. So guys, let's start with this video about the cryptocurrencies. The price for one Bitcoin is 31,700 USD dollars. We are falling by 2.6 percentages. Crazy dump in the last 3 and 4 days. The dominance of the Bitcoin is higher and higher, and right now it's 48 percentages dominance in Bitcoin. Look what happened to the Ethereum price. What 1,900 USD dollars, it fallen by 3.2 percentages the last 24 hours. Look what happened to the all altcoin section. They are falling and falling and falling, guys, and who knows where is the button. I told you in the last video that we have very strong support at 31,400 USD dollars from Bitcoin. Of course, this is the support for all the cryptocurrencies, because when the Bitcoin is falling, everything is falling higher and higher, and bigger dumps. So we have a very strong support at 31,400 USD dollars, and then 31,000 USD dollars. Very strong support for Bitcoin. If you're gonna go um, below these prices, of course I'm gonna publish a new video with my technical analysis, with what I think about the market. And let's start, guys. So right now we have a lot of bearish signs. We have this death cross. This is very serious bearish sign, but guys, we got these signs before, and when it means with Bitcoins, when we see the death cross in Bitcoins, it doesn't mean that we are at the start of the bearish of the bearish run, and the bull run is over, guys, because in this graph you can see all the dead cross from the beginning of the Bitcoin of 2011. You can see here that when we saw the bearish signs, it means that, yeah, this is very bad for Bitcoin. But you can see here in the graph that sometimes we got good percentages. Look at this. In 3 months after the dead cross, we made 98 percentages, we made 91 percentages, 98 percentages, and 56 percentages. In average, after the dead crosses, we see plus 30 percentages after 3 months, after 6 months, an average 32 percentages in our 1 year, and average 438 percentages. So what happening right now, I will show you in the next few minutes, because I think that right now is happening what happened just a few years ago, and it is everything is fine, and we're gonna see this bearish market is over just in few weeks from now, maybe in few days from now. All right, and look what happened with the whales, all the big money, all the start money, they are buying more and more Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, the SEO of the MicroStrategy, purchased more Bitcoins, not in 100 million dollars, not in 200 USD dollars, in 489 USD dollars, that bought more and more Bitcoin. They are buying more and more Bitcoin. The average price of the last purchase was 37,600 USD dollars. Guys, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategies, they know what they are doing. They are buying the Bitcoin of all these weak hands, yeah, let's say it like this, that bought the Bitcoin in the prices of 50,000 USD dollars for one Bitcoin, and they are selling their Bitcoins of these really low prices, guys, of 31,700 USD dollars. Guys, um, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy, they are very big fund. They know what they are doing, and they know that this is the best time to buy Bitcoin, because where you saw blood in the markets, it's the best time to buy Bitcoin. And look at this. More and more banks in China, they are banning Bitcoin. They're telling their customers that right now you can do any transaction with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with cryptocurrencies. Look at this. Um, so China published more and more bad news about Bitcoin, but you can see that there are all the miners from China sending their mining firms to United States, guys. So maybe United States gonna be the next giant of mining because China right now just published bad and bad news, but United States of America published more and more positive news about Bitcoin. And look at this news. The Bit Farms, this is the name of one of the biggest mining firms in United States. They are gonna be listed on Nasdaq. Their symbol will be BITF. They're gonna be listed on Nasdaq. So you can see that they are very, very bad news from China. Yet they are banning Bitcoin, but in the other side of the map, you can see that United States is more and more legal with Bitcoin and everything is fine with Bitcoin. All right, so it's happened before. You can search in Google, for example, China banning Bitcoin 2011, 2012, 2013. And you can see that every time, every year, China banning again and again Bitcoin. But of course, guys, this is fake news because you can't ban Bitcoin, guys. If you are banning all the internet, yeah, so maybe you can buy Bitcoin. But guys, this is collapse. No one gonna buy ban Bitcoin, and no one gonna buy internet, guys. And look at this. In the last few days, we can see that the whales opening more and more long positions on Ethereum, guys. We can see that the number of long position on Ethereum last um, updated, and you can see that their numbers are rising and rising on 240 percentages. Long position are raised in Bitcoin just in few days, and you can see that it's whales because look at this. So you can see that maybe the whales know something about the Bitcoin and about Ethereum because they are opening more and more long position. But of course, guys, be careful with your trade. It's not a financial advice. This was what happening actually in the market. And look at this, all the Dogecoin buyers, they are asking Elon Musk, say something, Elon Musk, because this guy is tweet so many tweets about this shitcoin that his name is Dogecoin. And I told you guys in my channel, this is just a shitcoin. This is just high project. Be careful with this coin, with Dogecoin. Be careful because you can see by this graph, by this chart, that a lot of people are bought Bitcoin in these levels of 60 cents for Dogecoin, 50 cents for Dogecoin, and you can see that the price is dumped. And the price was 20 cents for Dogecoin, but now the price is dumped more, and the price is 18 cents for Dogecoin. And all the investors that bought this Dogecoin because of the Elon Musk is asking him, say something, Elon Musk. Guys, please be careful with all this shitcoin. There are so many coins with big projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, Litecoin, Cardano, Dot, etc., etc. You have more than hundreds of good projects. Don't buy these shitcoins. Be careful, guys. If you have any question about which cryptocurrency is the best, of course, it's not a financial advice, but always you can ask me in the comments below. And look by the history, all right? What's happening now? This big dump, we saw it before. Look what happened in 2013. Look what happened, all right? We saw a big pump to the upside. From then, we saw a dump, big dump for few months. But from then, guys, we saw second wave of the bull run, and we saw much higher prices. All right, guys. So it happened before. What's happening right now is just to make more and more panic in the markets. I think, from my opinion, everything fine. And when you see bloods on the market, when you see that everyone is panic sale, they are Bitcoin, they are cryptocurrency, I think, from my opinion, um, it's the best time to buy more and more cryptocurrency because we saw it before, guys. We saw it before. Look at this graph. Look at this chart, guys. Look at this. All right, so here I think that a lot of people have sold their Bitcoin, but after a few months, you saw another big and big bam. And I want to show you a very funny video from 2010 about the crash in the stock market. Look at this panic, guys, but you know what happened after this crash? That's right. Huge and huge panic. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Big paper sellers coming in. It all started out up above around 38 even here. Now guys talking about 20 of range left. Here they come to get it. 8 halves trade. 8 even offer. 7 even offer. 6 halves are trading here now. 6 evens are trading. 5 evens are trading here now. Once again, we got figure trade here. And 8 evens trade. 98 even bid. Oh, even here, guys. Once again, 8 even bid. Oh, even. That's a 98 even bid. 98s are trading here now.
So if you want, guys, you can see it by yourself, of course, but you can see the panic on the markets, that everything is falling, everyone is selling their stocks, their cryptocurrencies in panic sale. But guys, be careful, really be careful, because the whales, the big money, the smart money, they are just buying your Bitcoin. Look what happened with the MicroStrategy. They are just bought more and more cryptocurrencies. They are buying your cryptocurrencies, guys. You need to understand this. These guys, they are holding, they're buying more and more cryptocurrencies. And look what happened to the fear and greed index. Right now we are in the extremely fear. People are we really fear. They are in panic sell. They are selling their Bitcoin. Look what happened in this graph of the fear and greed index. Right now we are breaking new records of the fear in the market. But you can see by the history, guys, that every time when we touch these levels of this extremely fear, by the way, this extremely fear in 2018 was the minimum of the Bitcoin price of 3,500 USD dollars, and after that we saw a huge pump in the Bitcoin prices. So you can see that this is totally fine. You can see that all these dumps, after these dumps, you saw a huge pump, and that's what I think will happen to the Bitcoin price right now and to the Bitcoin fear and greed index. We're gonna see just in a few months from now extremely greedy people. So guys, thank you for watching this video. It was a crypto boom. You can subscribe my channel, you can ask me question in the comments. I am here for you. Thank you for watching this video again.